Have you ever been locked out of your account because you forgot the password? Don't panic, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to recover your forgotten account password. Using just your phone. No tech skills required. For this tutorial, we'll use your Settings app, Play Store app, Chrome browser, and the Gmail app to get you back in fast. So stay tuned, and if you're ready for more tech tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to Highly Practicals, your #1 stop for simple, practical tech solutions. Let's get started. Starting with the Settings application. Open your phone Settings app and scroll down to Google. Then click on it. From here, tap on this Password Manager option. Then use the search bar to search for the account, which its password has been forgotten. And when found, just tap on this eye icon to get the correct password for that particular account. Moving on to the next one, which involves using Play Store. To recover a forgotten password, open the Play Store app and tap on your profile icon or picture. Click on Manage your Google account. Then select Password Manager from these options. Now use the search bar to search for the account with the forgotten password. Or just scroll through until you get the account you have forgotten its password. And click on it. Then tap on this eye icon for the forgotten password to be shown. Next is by using the Chrome browser. To recover your forgotten password, open the Chrome browser application. Then click on this 3 dots. Tap on Settings and click on this Google Password Manager option. Now look for the account with the forgotten password by scrolling through all the accounts you have. And once you find it, click on it. Then tap on this eye icon to get the forgotten password. And to the last option, which involves using the Gmail app. Open the Gmail app and click on your profile icon or picture. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Click on Password Manager option. Then look for the account with the forgotten password. Then click on it. Or use the search bar to search for the account name. And when found, click on it. And finally click on this eye icon to get your forgotten password. And that's it. For quick and easy ways to recover your forgotten account password right from your phone. No stress, no hassle, just simple steps that work. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And most importantly, subscribe to Highly Practicals for more easy to follow tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.